Destruction in Ukraine has been devastating, and it has been on an enormous scale. And to rebuild, we need all the tools available: physical and digital. Introducing Digital Twin for Reconstruction, an advanced AI-powered tool designed for damage assessment and reconstruction planning. Tested and piloted across a number of cities in Ukraine, including Mykolaiv, Bucha, and Chernihiv, the AI tool brings together multiple sources of information to assess building damage. First, satellite data is used to compare images of damaged buildings, pre- and post-destruction. Drone footage adds a closer perspective, zooming in on structural damage. This is complemented by on-site inspections, documenting damage through reports, photos, and videos, offering details that satellite and drone images alone cannot capture. Cadastral records, outlining property boundaries and measurements, provide a final piece in the puzzle. Once this data is processed, the tool delivers a 3D digital replica of the city, highlighting the damaged buildings. On the basis of this replica, the AI model simulates a number of reconstruction scenarios, incorporating estimated costs and building typologies. Through immersive technology, citizens as well as urban planners can interact with the simulations. Finally, a dashboard consolidates all information and presents a clear overview of structural damage and expected reconstruction costs of each scenario, allowing a range of specific reconstruction decisions to be taken and tracking of each project. In this way, the digital twin provides transparency and accountability for residents, decision makers, and the donor community throughout the process of reconstruction. Digital twin for reconstruction. Because the work of rebuilding starts with the right tools.